G'day, I'm Abby Dave, and today I want to talk about this quick tip called Say Yay. It's a feature or a capability that I use in ChatGPT that just makes it quicker to use ChatGPT in a lot of use cases. And if you're ever using something like the API with OpenAI, it makes things cheaper because you have less information going backwards and forwards. And this came about because earlier today I was working with the pricing model on ChatGPT, and what I wanted to do was write some software that could figure out how much it costs to use ChatGPT. And so I went into ChatGPT and I wrote a little prompt like this. I want to create a tool in Ruby that will calculate the cost using the API. It needs to be able to calculate different costs based on Whisper and DALL-E 3. And what happens when you just write a question like this is it starts to write an answer the way it thinks the answer should be. Now, quite often I want to add a lot more context and I want to do it quickly. I don't want to be waiting like I'm waiting right now for it to write what could be a simple paragraph. It could be 10 paragraphs of information. So what we'll do is we'll just stop this particular chat going on and we'll just modify it slightly. So what we've got is exactly the same prompt going on here, and I've just said, please wait for my questions, say yay if you understand, and we'll just run this particular statement. And suddenly the information has been stored into the chatbot. It has cost a lot less if you were using an API because it's only returning essentially one token of information. But from an end user point of view, using the ChatGPT Plus, this is really quick. Now you can use it in other situations. So if we go back to this pricing chart and we just select all the information on the page, we might not select the stuff that's not useful, but we'll get all the costs. And we can come back to this window that we've got and said, here is some information we will be working with. Say yay. We'll just add that in, and then we can paste all that information. Now there's a lot of information and it would try to analyze it, but we only want it to store the information until we're ready to analyze it. So we go and it says yay, and we might say, what is the audio model called? Because we've got all that information available to us right there. Hopefully it's going to say Whisper. It did say Whisper. So it's now read the information, but we haven't wasted time waiting for stuff. So I'm Appy Dave, and I'll just pop in over here. And one of the things that I'm doing at the moment is setting up a GPT Academy, which is where small groups of people get to work together, ask questions, and work through different use cases or challenges that they have with ChatGPT. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tip.